Starting a voiceover agency in South Africa can be a lucrative and fulfilling venture. The growing demand for diverse and high-quality voice talent in industries such as advertising, entertainment, e-learning, and corporate communications presents significant opportunities. Here is a comprehensive guide on how to establish a voiceover agency in South Africa, including potential earnings. Conduct market research, identify demand, research the local market to understand the demand for voiceover services. Look at trends in radio, television, online media, and corporate training materials. Analyze competition, identify existing voiceover agencies and analyze their services, pricing, and market presence. Target audience, determine your target clients, which could include advertising agencies, film producers, animation studios, e-learning platforms, and corporate clients. Develop a business plan, business model, decide whether you will focus on a niche market, for example, children's animation, corporate narration, or offer a broad range of services. Revenue streams, outline how your agency will generate income, such as through voiceover commissions, talent management fees, and studio rentals. Financial projections, estimate startup costs, ongoing expenses, and projected income. Consider costs for marketing, equipment, office space, and talent acquisition. 3. Register your business. Choose a business name, select a unique and professional name for your agency. Legal structure, decide on the legal structure of your business, for example, sole proprietorship, partnership, private company. Registration, register your business with the Companies and Intellectual Property Commission, CIPC. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Tax registration, register for a tax number with the South African Revenue Service, SARS. BEPS compliance, depending on your business size, comply with broad-based Black Economic Empowerment, BEPS, regulations to enhance business opportunities. Create a talent roster, recruit talent, scout for diverse and skilled voiceover artists. Utilize online platforms, social media, and industry events to find talent. Auditions, hold auditions to assess and select voice talent. Consider various factors like voice quality, range, and versatility. Invest in quality equipment, recording studio, set up a professional recording studio with high-quality microphones, soundproofing, and audio editing software. Remote capabilities, equip your studio for remote recording sessions to attract clients who prefer virtual services. Develop a professional website, showcase talent, create a website that showcases your voiceover talent with audio samples and demos. Service offerings, clearly outline the services you provide, including pricing packages and booking procedures. Contact information, ensure easy accessibility for potential clients to contact and hire your services. Network and build relationships, industry events, attend industry conferences, film festivals, and advertising expos to network and promote your agency. Partnerships, form partnerships with advertising agencies, production companies, and e-learning platforms. Digital marketing, social media, utilize social media platforms to promote your voice talent and services. Regularly post engaging content and voice samples. SEO and content marketing, optimize your website for search engines and create informative blog posts related to voiceover industry trends and tips. Customer service, client satisfaction, provide exceptional customer service to build a positive reputation. Offer timely and professional communication, and ensure high-quality deliverables. Feedback and testimonials, encourage clients to leave reviews and testimonials to build credibility and attract new business. Pricing your services, market rates, research industry standard rates for voiceover work in South Africa. Prices can vary based on project complexity, length, and usage rights. Flexible packages, offer different pricing packages to accommodate various client budgets and project scopes. Potential earnings, voiceover rates. Voiceover artists in South Africa can charge between 500 to 5,000 Rand per hour, depending on their experience and the project's nature. Agency commission, agencies typically take a commission of 10% to 20% of the artist's fee. This means if an artist earns 5,000 for a project, the agency could earn between 500 to 1,000 Rand. Annual income, a successful agency managing multiple projects and artists could potentially earn between 500,000 to 2 million Rand annually, considering consistent work and effective marketing. Starting a voiceover agency in South Africa involves careful planning, strategic marketing, and a commitment to quality. By building a diverse talent pool, Investing in the right equipment, and fostering strong client relationships, you can establish a successful voiceover agency that meets the growing demand for vocal talents in the entertainment and advertising industries.